Hey, what is going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys one simple trick that allows to easily and quickly clean your AirPods and EarPods and make them look and sound like they're brand new. Now of course you can find a ton of videos on YouTube that show you how to do that. Most of them use different liquids and Q-tips to clean the AirPods and EarPods, but that doesn't really work as well. And of course the process is a bit more complicated, and with Q-tips you might even make it worse because the earwax will be on the speaker grill, and if you press on it with a Q-tip, the earwax will go into the grill and the AirPods and EarPods won't sound that good. But with this trick you can remove it out of the speaker and make them sound like they're brand new. Of course they will look clean as well. So here's what you need to do. You can see this AirPod right here, so of course it has wax and dirt around the grill right there. That's not a problem, that will get there anytime you put it in your ears. So the real problem is the wax that will accumulate on the speaker grill. That makes the AirPod and AirPod sound really worst. And with the simple trick, of course, you can make it sound like it's brand new. So all you gotta do is just take a simple toothbrush and you can clean it with this. So just go ahead, take the toothbrush just like this, hold it like this, and hold the AirPod facing downwards like this. And all you gotta do is just move it like this on the toothbrush. Of course, don't use this to clean your teeth again. So just move it like this. Don't push too hard on it because you might damage the speaker inside. Just go ahead and just gently move it like this. And do this for like 20 or 30 seconds. And of course the toothbrush will take all the wax out of the speaker grills, and this will sound like it's brand new. You can see it looks like it's brand new, and it will also sound like it's brand new. This is just a simple trick on how you can clean your EarPods and AirPods. Make them feel, sound, and look like they're brand new. Try this out, but first of all, try out your AirPods without doing this process, and then try them after you do this, and you will feel and you will hear the difference. So that's basically it for this video, guys. This is how you can clean your AirPods and EarPods and make them look and sound like they're brand new. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more, and I'll see you on the next one.